The last time we had today's chef on the show, he was literally jumping for joy, and today, so are we. Literally, Jimmy. Literally. Okay, we're so happy to welcome back Jeff Phillips, Executive Chef at Forgotten 50 Distilling in Berlin. How you doing today?
I'm doing great, Lisa. How you doing?
Good to have you back, and all your energy, too.
Here.
So what are we putting together today?
Today we are doing a fried oysters over corn salsa, something that we have new on the menu.
Okay.
And corn salsa is something that's been a staple of ours. We were going to take it off, but then everybody's like, oh, you can't take that off.
The people have spoken.
They said, keep it on.
There you go.
It's corn and avocado and tomato and lime.
Okay.
And we're going to be putting our oysters on top of that. And with that, we have a chipotle crema. And we have this butterfly pea flour vinegar glaze, to go with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so should I start with the oysters?
It is, yeah. So what do we do?
Okay, so first we're gonna rebread the oysters in our ready breader here.
Okay, ready breader.
Yeah, no, it's this right here, whatever you can find.
That sounds like an Instamatic.
You know? And it's special stuff there.
And then putting it in this hot oil?
We'll get them all breaded up first.
Oh, okay.
Just kind of put it to the side there a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just spread them all together.
Them all
I
up.
see what you're saying, because they need to cook together.
I think maybe we should go back to the heat
Yeah,
here, Jimmy.
I'm with you.
We're gonna find out here. This cast iron pan is amazing. Where do y'all get this? Somebody left it behind. They said.
I think somebody didn't know we had
we
one.
Can't give away.
Oh, okay.
Somebody
Well,
who
they actually said I could take it with me since you kept my pan last
Oh,
time.
okay.
So it might be given away.
we have a unique exchange program in the Delmarvalife kitchen.
there.
Okay, I've got them all breaded.
Okay, so let's move you close.
Okay.
All right, go ahead
And then I'm
let's
gonna
see.
put 'em in.
I don't know how we're doing this oil. Let's see how we did. Okay, good.
Yeah?
Keep going. Keep going.
Woo, that's
oh, yeah.
one.
Now let's come back to the pan because you're gonna lose your heat. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Back to the heat here. All right. We're looking good. Lisa, you were right. By the time we got there, it'd be cooling down.
Man, oh man.
Yeah.
Should I be doing something while she's working this hard?
You just tell her what to do.
No.
Oh, don't tell him.
No. That's not happening, Jeff. Sorry.
Make sure she doesn't burn it. We'll keep an eye on it.
I'm keeping an eye
So what
on
are
it.
you looking for?
We're looking for GBD.
GBD.
The golden brown and delicious.
Oh, okay.
So right now we're seeing a little bit of G.
I see some golden brown, yeah.
A little bit of G, but okay. I think maybe now we'll get our slotted spoon there. Might be a little easier to give them a little turn, or give it, maybe wait a minute. I think we're a little early.
All right.
So how are things going at Forgotten 50?
They're going great. Yeah. You know, a lot of people are coming in to check the building out and check our cocktails out. The building's beautiful.
Yeah.
The guy, Aaron McMullen, who did the restoration and the renovation there, people come in and like, wow, this building is so beautiful.
Wow.
And we got our talented mixologist, Tim McCall, the Scotsman. He comes in and he's a sommelier, he's a mixologist. He comes up with all the great recipes for the drinks, and you try these cocktails and you're like, wow. Yeah.
I'm so afraid I'm going to splatter it on you guys.
You're good.
That would be why I'm standing all the way over.
Okay, there I got the smoke going.
Yeah, you're looking good.
We'll take care of this. It'll be all right, we promise.
And the rest
don't
of
let
our...
the alarms go off.
Yeah, we're looking good.
Okay. So what are we going to do once that is all GBD? Okay.
Golden brown noise.
All right. Got that last time. Got to bring that back.
You told me what to do before, but you're going to have to tell me
3
again.
tablespoons. Make a little pile to put your oysters on.
All right.
Okay. And all this corn's roasted in-house by our wonderful staff, all our little helpers there at Forgotten 50.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
All right, is that okay? I'm not trying to make a mess
Can I
of
bring
it.
your slotted spoon in?
I was just turning them over to make sure they were ready.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, put them on there. Okay, great.
One.
All right, the corn salsa looks great. Good job. You're hired.
Yeah, real good.
Now come with your chipotle mayo and do your spoon drag there.
Spoon drag. Big spoon, little spoon. Big spoon, right?
Big spoon.
Big spoon.
Yeah. We got some big oysters here.
He taught me how to do a spoon drag. We'll see if I can pull it off.
Yeah.
Go.
So,
Fantastic.
My work is done.
For this episode.
For this one, yes.
and then, is that right?
That's great.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So then I need
Okay. Now your vinegar
the
glaze.
vinegar in the center, right?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to see if I
This
can
is
pull it off.
nice because you got the fattiness of the chipotle aioli, and then the vinegar glaze gives you a little cut right through there.
Okay. All right.
That's good.
So we ready for oysters?
Okay, maybe one more little vinegar
one more?
glaze and,
All right.
and take it out a bit.
Take it out a
into
bit
that
further.
wide open space.
We're gonna
You gotta fill this plate
Just
out.
fill that
Oh, there.
right.
Nice.
Too
Work.
much? Good. Okay.
You gotta have a little emerald catchphrase.
Listen,
when you
if
do
this
that.
whole Delmarvalife thing doesn't work out,
Yeah. All right.
okay. So like going up to the.
I'd stay on the empty side of that plate.
Oh,
Don't be scared of all that
see,
empty space.
look at what I'm doing.
Jimmy.
I'm messing it.
Yeah.
I lost
There
my
you go.
job already.
It's okay.
All right.
You had
okay.
promise there for
Don't
a
like
few
so?
moments.
Okay.
Is that we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I use this last one even though I put it in the wrong place?
You can do whatever. You can
Oh.
eat that one, move it over.
Oh, I
whatever you
can
wanna do.
eat that one.
Yeah.
We're done.
Okay.
All right.
No, don't forget your garnish.
Okay, where do I put the garnish?
Anywhere you like. You just make it look pretty.
All right, so I guess I would go that way, right?
Okay. That looks great.
Put a little. White.
Ooh, I like
Nice.
that.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
And there it
There we
is.
go.
All right.
I kind of made a mess of it, but there it is.
So I'm
there's our
thinking
fried oysters.
we should let this cool down.
Oh, I think
and
that's a
when
very
we
good
come-
idea.
And when we come back, we're going to taste it, and then we're going to make
good.
another dish, correct?
Yes, we're gonna make our pão de queijo. It's a Brazilian cheese bread. Apologize for the pronunciation.
That's okay.
I've been schooled on this, but
We're going to put it together here in
tricky
just a minute.
recipe.
Don't go anywhere.
Delicious.
Delmarvalife will be right back. We have successfully cleaned up the splashed grease from our fried oyster adventure, and we are back. It wasn't just me, and we are back with Jeff Phillips, executive chef from Forgotten 50 Distilling. Thanks for being here.
thank you.
We're going to taste
Thank you,
this
thank you.
real quick.
Yep.
Please.
Yeah, I'm just going to
Don't
pop
stand in
over
the way
here.
I have heard good words about the.
Have you?
Oh, the corn
Yes.
salsa.
Yes.
Corn. See, I put everything all in one fork.
There you go.
Uh-huh.
Wow, that really is good.
Yeah.
That really, really is good.
Really, really, really
That's
is
the, that's
good.
the difference between me and you because
You
like
just keep going.
I like to eat one thing at a time, and then I get the flavor from it.
Well, we could sit here for the next 4 minutes eating this, but our producer would probably yell at us because we have something
okay.
else to make, don't we?
Now that sounds like my friend from high school, Law Adkins. He eat all his cheese curls, then he eat his pizza, then he drink his drink last.
One thing at a time.
How can you do that?
All right, so what are we doing here?
Okay, so we're scalding our milk, oil, and salt, and a little water there. So now that that's coming to a simmer, we're gonna add that to our tapioca starch
What's in
already
here?
in the mixer.
Oh, that's what that is.
That's our tapioca starch.
Okay, so then I'm putting this
So
stuff in.
let's take this off first.
All right.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and add the scalded milk. Looks like you timed that perfectly.
wait.
Yeah,
Yep.
Jimmy, that was pretty good.
That was amazing. So you can shut
How
that
much?
down for us.
How much
Whole
of it
thing,
do
whole
I have
thing.
to get in there?
Yeah, put it in there.
And I figure there's going to be a
Professional.
percentage that will stay on the outside.
All right.
All right.
Well done.
There's
well
that.
done, sir.
Now
He's
what?
trying to make up for
Okay.
putting the
So now,
vinegar in the wrong place.
Leave me alone.
okay. So
All right.
you're ready,
Ready
to
to
go.
go here?
Hit the start button.
How long do we let it go?
Well, we'll watch how it comes together here. You
Yeah.
see little bits of flour in there. We're not quite there yet. Okay, it's starting to work into a dough.
Yeah, yeah.
This is good. Okay, now stop it. That looks pretty good.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's do a little check here. I think you look good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do one egg in there.
One.
Well, we
There
got
are two in the
well,
cup.
you gotta do one at a time.
One at a time.
That's this bacon thing. Yeah. Yeah.
If you're making wagers
Okay.
on this shot right here, you're going
you
to
can
make
do
some
it,
money.
Jimmy.
All right. Here we go.
Okay, now turn the mixer back on before you add the other one.
Okay.
Yep.
Guess I should close that out.
I think you're okay. It's getting angry. Get in there quick.
Yeah,
Get in
try
there,
it.
get in
Yep,
there.
get off there.
I can't get off.
Open that up. Okay.
I need some help.
Okay. Okay, great, great, great.
Go ahead. All right, good.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, starting to come together. Okay. Oh, there she goes. Okay. All right. Now take the top off and add the cheese.
You mean that's good? What just happened?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. See, I can't even get the top, but there we go. All right, so take this off. Add the cheese. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting looking.
Yeah.
All this cheese?
All that cheese.
All this cheese. It's a lot of cheese, Lisa.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
lot of cheese.
We love cheese. All right. Well done.
All right, cheese applied.
Okay.
Back on.
Yep. Handle down.
Handle
there
down.
You go. All right.
Now what do we do?
Working
There
hard
you go.
now.
Great. Let it come together here.
All right.
Okay, Lisa,
what?
you want to turn this out into a pan here?
Sure.
Okay. We'll send that over
Put it
to
off,
her,
right, yeah.
and we'll get a look at this dough.
Good work, Jimmy.
All right. So first we got to do is pull the hook out. I'll do that part for you because that's quite tricky.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
Okay. And then here you can scrape this down a little bit.
Okay. What is that? Is that the blade? The agitator?
This is the dough mixing blade. Good enough.
Good enough? Okay. We'll take good enough. That is very interesting. Now, do you want me to pour all this into this can here?
Yep.
Okay.
Hold it for you?
Yeah, probably a good idea.
This is.
It's like taffy.
Yeah, it is. There you go.
Get my workout today. Oh, there's a whole bunch more in there.
Yeah.
Now, is this the amount you make at once?
No, I do 2 or 3 times this.
Oh my goodness.
Because they've been quite popular.
That's your workout.
Okay. Wow. Good enough. Okay, so now what you have is a nice dough ball here. I'll spray it a little bit. And then kind of mix it into a dough. Mix all the cheeses going together here.
Okay, are you gonna need this anymore?
Okay. Don't need that.
All right.
And then if you want to take a shot at scooping one, or
Scoop it.
Scooping.
Okay.
let me get a pan here.
Okay.
How the one's doing in the oven here.
Oh, that's right. You got some working on it.
Oh, okay.
Forgot about that.
They're almost there.
I found some extra cheese over here. It's pretty good too, Lisa. Just saying.
All right. So what?
So you're scooping balls out of
Okay. So
Scooping
we get our
balls.
pan here. Don't have. And we'll just scoop them onto a plate here, shall we? Just so you can see what they look like.
Okay.
And then usually what we'll do is we'll refrigerate the dough for a little bit.
I feel like it's not
you kinda
a ball.
gotta-
I gotta.
you gotta bring
you
it-
do that. I don't have gloves on. I'm
Yeah. So you bring them into balls. Well, that's why we refrigerate it.
Yeah.
Because then the next day it's a lot easier to work with.
So basically, you put these into balls, and then you put them in the oven.
Yep.
And then you take them out, which you have already done. You already
Yes.
have some that are done.
We do. They
Okay,
are
so once you-
almost done.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Let's see here.
Well, we're running out of time, so we may have to.
Okay. Let's pull them out and see what they
Let's
look
see what
like
they-
here. Okay. Here we go. All right.
They did grow.
They
interesting.
grow a little bit more as you get closer to the end, but they didn't quite. Where's our plate at? Right there.
Oh.
Okay.
Not quite all the way, huh?
Not quite all the way.
all right.
Get a little bit browner.
So what does it look like when it's more of a brown color to it?
Yep. We get these little brown moles on top. They call them, and
Oh, okay.
they're actually the bits of cheese on top that looks really good. So,
Okay. So if you folks want to try them out, what do you call? What are they on the
Yeah.
menu? What are they called again?
powder queijo.
Powder
Powder
cake.
queijo.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. To see then they got a little brown color to them there. You just
There we go.
Just do that little trick there.
Yeah, we're cooking.
See that? Okay, that's what they kind of look like when they come out.
Uh-huh.
You got this tricky oven here. That's
You know
what it is.
I think I could eat a couple of
I think you should, because they are.
Are they done?
done. Yes.
All right. Well, let's go ahead because
Yes. Yeah, get in
A little
there.
warm, right?
yeah, they're warm. I'm not going to eat that yet. We're going to chat. We're going to taste them a little bit later. But thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Sure.
Forgotten 50 Distilling. You are on Route 50, or no, you are in
Yeah. Old Route 50.
Old Route 50.
Old
Old
Route
Route
50.
That's what it
Thank
was.
you.
Ocean 10103 Old Ocean City Boulevard.
All
Go see
right.
him. Go see him.